So I do a quick update. So our wall art or wall decor pieces, I've finished up a few pieces and have come up with more creative designs. So here we have a double stone design. This one is to hang like at this angle. Over here, came up with another one. This is a single stone. We have the ends are the same as before, but on this side we did it like a starburst. And then here's another one to go with the other diamond, just all wood. And then here's one to go with the other one over there. And in this case, we have a thicker stone with a 3 centimeter and a 2 centimeter. And this design, and then we did another one here with another stone. Let me think, I can't remember. This might be a lure. I think it's a quartzite. Let's see, I did write them on the back. Oh no, vibranium. Vibranium. So it must be the other one was the allure, because I was pretty sure I had one. I don't know what this one is. I have no idea. I'm going to have to keep an eye out for that one. Okay, so Molly's ready to leave. She came in the wood shop to got the fire going to keep things warm. So I'm going to carry a couple of these in, and I'm not sure where we're hanging them yet. But same idea. I put the wood strips on the back, and we have the hook. Now this one I should point out, so I did 2 of these, but I did one to hang like this, and then one to hang like this. So this is the one to hang this way. So I'm not sure what that's going to look like, but I thought that was a possibility. And maybe they hang side by side, I'm not sure. So I think we have the creativity we're not done yet. And I actually have some other ideas. A friend gave me another idea I have several ideas. So we'll be doing more of these, and let's see where this takes us.